no. I'll sing in the next track. Let's do Tenerife by Ed Sheeran. Let's go. One of my faves. Crypto Moneymaker. Welcome to Bigo. Mira. Noiby Princess V. Hello. Irie. Aries. Jose Mix. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all these lies and people that talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Benio, should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me. It's all that you are is all that I'll ever need. You're a hello, so in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love. Nancy, Happy New Year. Vanilla, you look so beautiful in this light. Benio, your silhouette over me. The way it brings out the blue in your eyes is a Tenerife sea. Pearl ID, thank you for following. And all of the voices surrounding us here, they just fade out when you take a breath. Cyclops, just say the word and I will disappear into the wilderness. Should this be the last thing I see, Susu, I want you to know it's enough for me, Alex. Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love. Darling, ooh, me, yeah, over me, MJ, ooh, me, yeah, not me, darling, ooh, me, yeah, over me, yes, MJ, love me, yeah, darling, love me, yeah, over me. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. Punta ka sa Instagram, tapos MAE. So in love. Video. So in love. Kaso tulog siya eh. So in love, 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 love. So in love. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. In a moment, I know you best. So that was Tenerife by Ed Sheeran. I'm Diana Kinosi. Welcome to my stream, everybody. Thank you for the 4 stars. Let's do the next track. I'll be doing Trainwreck by James Arthur. I like this song. But I'm not too good with a higher note. It is a higher. So let's go. Jose, are you okay? What time are you gonna sleep? Oh my gosh, don't you have work tomorrow? ID. In the silence, waiting for the sirens, signs, any signs I'm alive still. ID, I don't wanna lose it. I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? Should I pray to myself, to a God, to a Savior who can, oh, day off, unbreak the broken, unsay these broken words, find hope in the hopeless, pull me out the train wreck. Ew, what the heck? Unburn the ashes, lao white, unshake the reactions. Now I'm not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out the train wreck. Pull me out, pull me out. It's a saliva. Ew, real. Pull me out. Why do you have saliva there? What the fish? Underneath our bad blood, we still gotta sarap tulog, no? Like he just had a very good sleep, so there we go. We have some saliva there. It's not too late to build it back, 'cause a 1 in a million chance is still a chance, still a chance. And I would take those odds. It's true. Unbreak the broken, unsay these broken words, find hope in the hopeless. Pull me out the train wreck, uncover the ashes, unshake the reactions. Now I'm not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out the train wreck. Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. No, but pull me out, pull me out. You can say what you like, don't say how I die. Oh, I'm down on my knees and I need you to be my God, be my help, be a savior who can unbreak the broken, unsay these reckless words, find hope in the hopeless. Pull me out the train wreck, unburn the ashes, unshake the reactions. Now I'm not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out the train wreck. Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. No, do we pull me out? Pull me out, pull me out. So that was Trainwreck by James Arthur. I'm Danica Kino C. Welcome to my stream, everybody. Thank you again so much for the 4 stars. Next up, let's try this one. I don't know if I know anymore how to sing this, but let's give it a shot. I'm a bit nervous to try this one out. Mysterious Man, hello. This is called Daughters by John Mayer. I'm not too good at this, but let's try. Because it's quite low, so I have to adjust it. My tune. ID, think of the hearts. Yes. She puts the color inside of my world. She's just like a maze. All of the walls are continually changed from you. I don't know that you're next. And I've done all I can to stand on the steps with my heart in my hands. I need. Now I'm starting to see maybe it's got nothing to do with me. Miss Pink Red RM. Fathers, be good to your daughters. Daughters who love like you do. Chow Mountain. Girls become lovers, could turn into mothers. So mothers, be good to your daughters too. Alma, thank you for following. Nicholas, 911, hello. Patchy. in Popeye. It's the same she's been standing in since the day she saw him walking away. Now she's left cleaning up the mess he made. No, so fathers, be good to your daughters. Daughters will love like you do. Girls become lovers who turn into mothers. So mothers, be good to your daughters too. Boys, you can ride. Does this go? You find out how much they can take. Boys will be strong, and boys soldier on. Boys will be gone without warmth from a woman's good heart. Stewie, Cha-Cha. Di naman. Yayan. Only half of every man looking out for every girl. You are the guide and the weight of the world pile. So fathers, be good to your daughters. Daughters will love like you do. Girls become lovers who turn into mothers. So mothers, be good to your daughters too. So mothers, be good to your daughters too. So mothers, be good to your daughters too. I rock. Hello, Princess Monica. So that was Daughters by John Mayer. I'm Dana Kinosi. Welcome to my stream. Hi, Charlie. Thank you again so much for the 4 stars. I'm going to play some random songs so we can rest a little bit and have some coffee, chit chat.